So here we are. So if your startup has around 10,000 people, 10,000 active users every day, uh, and you are a B2C startup, you need to start thinking about segments. Uh, what happens that if your MAU or your DAO is less than 10,000, or you do not have to look much more on that. You should keep the offering to everyone the same. But as you cross the threshold, you need to start thinking everything in terms of segment. What happens is that when these number of volume of people onboard on a platform, each user is having a different property, might be with respect to their behavior, might be with respect to their device, might be with respect to their condition socially, economically, and much more. Once you are able to identify these people, uh, you need to go up with segments, or also based on the activities that they are doing on their platform. So this and why you need to take care of these things. Segments is the play. We know that a single message to all the people won't work. The better way of this would be making people into buckets and sending buckets a targeted message based on the property of that bucket. For example, if a certain bucket of people have started the free trial, you would only send them a message of free trial to them. You won't be sending these messages or any omnichannel marketing messages to every bucket at the same time. So this is why segment is important, because you uh, are in this scenario helping the user to do the desired step that they need to do, that your company thinks that they need to do. For example, let's understand why segment is important. Let's take the case that if we want to build a segment, we have a demo account. This demo account is an account, think of like a Netflix, where so we have a Netflix dashboards out here. uh, Take the case that your users who are using your platform uh, are going for free trial, and you want to hit these users who are on free trial with relevant messages like your free trial is starting, you are 50% in a way of a free trial, your free trial is ending, use this coupon code free to get a better plan. So you would need to understand who these people are. So this is how we would proceed. So one thing that you can do is that you can go out there in segments, test out the people who are in this free trial on a platform, add a rule like let's see that people who are in this free trial, yes, free trial started. This would be basically for these people whose free trial has been started for the last 30 days. You can always reduce this to a specific day you want. Once you make these users here, you see that these users activity on the platform, that there are around 1421 users. Most of them are available on mobile push, and majority of them are available on email. Then you basically save this segment. uh, this segment we will name that uh, free trial segment. Also, even date, you should have a name now there. It's 290726. So we basically made a free trial of the people. Since the demo account, we won't be able to save them. But once you save this segment, you can run a specific campaign which is targeted to only these people. You are not hitting everyone in your company who are basically doing this. Similar to that, we can have a segment for those people whose free trial is expired, means they have passed their free trial segment. How can we make them? We can also go again in the past behavior. The good part about past behavior is that you get to have everything in this. Every user on a platform, I mean, historically every user for whom free trial is expired would be qualified for this. So let's go. Free trial expired in the last, what can I say, for the last exactly, I think 100 days. We know that these users are the one who aren't on the platform and their free trial is expired. And also we will add a rule that these users haven't done login for the past 100 days, to be safe out here, because they aren't using the app also for us. If you want to have a rule out here, you can also add one more rule, which is uh, we should have a rule of payment. Yeah, we don't have that subscription. uh, these users haven't done any subscription initiated, means purchased for the last 100 days. So we are basically full proof that these users for the last 100 days have their free trial expired, haven't logged into our platform, and also haven't purchased anything. Let's see how many people are there. So we get around only 449 users who are matching this criteria, and this is a segment of that. You can target these people because these users do not have your app opened, so you need to send them emails because post note won't work out here. But they have your app installed too. Why aren't they buying your platform, or why aren't they opening the app also? You need to investigate and have them some campaign around these users. So this is how segment works. This is one of the ways where segment works. It is segment work, but segment also has different scenarios out here, different ways through which you can make, like which is live user actions segment. Basically, this enters the user enters into this segment as soon as he qualifies or does a specific task at the same time. Uh, at the same time, for example, if a user free trial is initiated, he or she would be able to be the part of this segment easily. Free trial started. Done. We don't need any past behavior here out here, and as soon as these people start their free trial, they are a part of this segment. And similarly, you can make end segments, like there is a segment of inaction, which you can also build in the inaction time with the time frame. You can say that people have not subscribed. uh, you can have people based on the activity that they are doing on a platform. If someone visits your payment page and do not pay, then you can make him part of this action. So this is how segment works. So segments are, in the domain of product, is a distinct set of groups of people who are sorted out based on their traits which are shared, so that we are able to help target them easily with a customer strategy. Means no single message to everyone, no same message to everyone. We are sending messages to each and every user at the same time, uh, with depending on what kind of behavior they have done in the past. This is how segment work out here. If you have any queries here, you can say or reach out to me on have any question out there. Since it's our demo account, we wouldn't be able to move forward with uh, the of how to target this segment with push notice. But you can see my previous videos of campaigns and journeys. You will get the gist of how it works. Thank you. Over and out.